Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Task Manager Performance tab is not visible on your Task Manager screen, then watch this video for the resolution. So the first thing, when we open Task Manager and we are not able to see the performance button, it's mainly because it will be in the compressed view like so. So basically it will only come here. If you click it, you can click on these three lines and you will get the performance tab and the other tabs. So what we need to do is just expand the window a little bit out and then click here and we will get the performance tab. If you can't see the performance tab even here, then you need to run the Windows update. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update and click on check for updates, and it should start working. If it doesn't work, then we will run an SFC scan. Command prompt, in the search bar, right click, run as administrator, and we will input the command sfc space /SCANNOW and press enter. Restart the computer and then you should be able to see the performance tab on your task manager. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.